Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Scribblings of Life, where I share videos on art and crafts like paper quilling, scrapbooking, card making, decoupage, and so on. So in today's video we are going to make 3D quilling flower wall piece. The requirements to make the project are as shown on your screen. So here are the material which we need to make this project. We need a mount board, or you can take a simple paper like 300 GSM paper, quilling needle, quilling strips, and normal glue and hot glue gun. So to make the main flower of the project, we need three teardrops of length 12 inches. We need to join them together. And we are going to wrap it with the whatever color of flower you want to make. Here I have taken yellow color. So in this way our one petal for the main flower will be ready. So using the same procedure we need to create 5 or 6 petals. So here I have made all the petals for the flower, and we are going to paste them together. Now take the yellow strip and make a tight coil out of it, a small tight coil, to make the center of the flower. And our main flower for the project is ready. Now we are going to make the secondary flowers for the project. So for that I have taken just yellow color and I am again making the teardrops out of it. So let me show you once again how we are going to make the teardrop. So roll the strip and make the loose coil and pinch the loose coil from one end to make a teardrop. So to make one flower we need 5 to 6 petals and paste them together to form a flower. Similarly make 2 more flowers. So we need one main flower and 3 secondary flowers for the project. Now we are going to make the leaves. So for making the leaf we need green color strip. So I have taken two shades of green over here. One is darker and other is lighter, and I have pasted the smaller lighter strip at the one end of the darker long strip. So in this way we can give a bit of shade to our strips. So to make the leaves, we need to make the eye shape or leaf shape, you can say. For that we have to make a loose coil and we have to pinch it from the center to give it two corners on both sides. So we have to make a lot of leaves over here for the project. So I have made a lot of leaves. Now we are going to make the small bunches of the leaf, or you can say a big leaf out of these small leaves. So I have made few bunches of 3 and few I will be making of 5 leaves. So you have to make similarly. Now take your base and mark the center of the base. So the base is 8 by 8 inches, so you can take the base according to your requirement. And here I have some circle cutouts. So to make it sturdy, I am pasting 4 layers of these circles onto each other. If you have a die cutting machine, you can cut the circle from that. Otherwise, you can simply use a compass and a scissor to make the circles. So this area will be used to stick the photograph of the person whom you want to gift, or you can even write some wishes or quotations on this. Okay, now we are going to make the scrolls. So to make the scroll, I have taken alternative strips of yellow and cream color, and I am going to make loose coil sort of open loose coil sort of thing out of the strips. So in this way our scroll is ready. Now push all the strips a little so that there is they are visible properly, and paste the ends. So in this way your scroll is ready. So this is one way of making the scroll. You can make small scrolls or big scrolls, whatever you want. So I have made 3 or 4 scrolls for this project. Now we will take our main flower and we need to give it a 3D shape. So to make it 3D, we have to do like put the flower in our palm and make a cup out of it, and just use hot glue gun to stick it on the mount and shape it while the glue dries. So you have to do this process very quickly, otherwise it will not get its shape once the glue is dried. Similarly, I am giving the 3D shape to other flowers as well. Now using the third secondary flower in the bottom side opposite to this main highlight of the project, and making a small arrangement over there. Now paste the scrolls. And now paste the bunches of the leaves here and there to give it a natural look. So once your leaves are done, the project is ready, and you can make it a bit heavy as well, like as per your requirement. I made it very simple and easy so that even the beginners can make it. So with this, our project for the day is done, and I hope you like this video and you are going to make a similar project for your loved ones. So do let me know in the comment section, like how you find this project, and what next you want to learn from me in the quilling or in the scrapbooking, or whatever art form you want me to make tutorials on. So here is the final glimpses of the project. And with this, I bid goodbye to all of you. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing so that you get the notification as priority as soon as I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe the bell icon. Thank you.